year. Deepika Padukone will walk the red carpet on the 17th and 18th of this month. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan will walk the red carpet on 19th and 20th. And Sonam Kapoor will walk the red carpet on the 21st and 22nd. So all our ambassadors will be seen in a very, very glamorous avatar in Cannes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would love to introduce the latest member who has joined the L'Oréal Paris family. She's a woman of self-worth. She's sensitive. She's self-made. She's someone who inspires women all across the world. She's someone that we totally believe is a woman of worth. And I'm very happy to have Deepika Padukone as a part of the L'Oréal Paris family. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have Deepika Padukone with us here.
Good afternoon, everyone. I can't believe this is finally happening.
Yes.
I remember as a little girl growing up, my mother would use L'Oréal products. And I think it's every little girl's dream to sort of, you aspire. And I think the brand has stood for so much more than just beauty and glamour. I think over the years, and of course, strong women and empowerment is a conversation today, but I think L'Oréal has always stood for that for years. And I know for a fact that somewhere deep down inside, it's had a huge influence on me as a young girl growing up, so thank you so much for that. I don't say this very often, but I do consider this a huge achievement in all of the work that I've done. To be able to represent a brand that really stands for so much, that empowers women, and that also has such amazingly strong individual and talented women that also represent the brand, not just in India, but globally. So thank you so much for including me in your family. And I'm very, very proud and very, very excited. Not just of the association, but also the work that L'Oréal has done over the years.
Thank you, Deepika.
Thank you. And of course, coming to today's event, we're here to launch the new collection that's called the Cannes Collection 2017. That's by L'Oréal Paris. And I'd like to reveal the looks and also the cosmetics and the makeup that we've used to actually create these looks. The looks are inspired by Cannes, a place that's bright and sunny and that's always radiating positivity, that's fun, and I think the collection really truly represents that in every way possible, and also just colors that I feel are me. You know, and I was doing a couple of interviews and they said, you tend to always wear like bright lip colors, and I feel like today's collection that we're launching is that. I enjoy wearing bright lip colors, reds and oranges, burgundies, and today's collection is all about that. So let's see that.
Super. Honor for L'Oréal Paris as well to have Deepika as a global brand ambassador. So Deepika, how does it feel to be a L'Orealista?
Like I said, it's a feeling of pride, but it's also a feeling of excitement and happiness and so many feelings at one point. And the fact that this association, new association, and the fact that it's also so close to Cannes, which is, again, in a way, an iconic event.
That's right.
You know, there's so much legacy that's attached to the event itself. So I think all of it put together, but just the fact that L'Oréal represents so much, it empowers women, which I think is a great place to be in. And, you know, like I said, it's something that I always wanted to be associated with in some way when I was a little girl growing up, and that dream has come true.
Wow.